All right, I got a pro fly fishing tip for you.
Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, yes. There we go. Oh, she's flying. Wow. That is a really large fish. Get in the net. Oh my God.
Wow, that's the way to start out a fishing trip.
There we go. Oh, she's flying. Oh, that is a big fish. Oh my God. Heart is pounding. Wow. That is a really large fish. Get in the net. Oh my God. Holy crap. Oh my God. That is a very large fish. Look at this thing. Oh, that is really big.
All right, I got a pro fly fishing tip for you. And when you're indicator fishing, nymphs, whatever's below your indicator, I do something called the long drift. And after fishing with Elke and Alicia, he coined it, right? It is basically just the ultra long drift. Don't be afraid, right? You want to fish kind of cast up from you, let it swing by you, but don't be afraid to peel out a whole bunch of line and just let that indicator keep on drifting downstream until you can barely see it. I have caught so many fish doing the long drift like that. It just helps you cover a lot more water when fishing big rivers like that. So use the long drift. It's a little harder hook set, but the reward can be pretty good.
Jeez. Oh. Oh my God. He just flew out of the water. That's a good fish. Oh, he's on.
It's all right. We got two nice fish. Played that one out. Didn't land him.
He came up and grabbed it when I was swinging it. I totally missed it. And then he came up. What the heck? That's a good fish too. That's a good fish. Yep. Brown. Ah.
That fish. So my indicator was shooting upstream. I missed it. So I turned off the camera. And next thing you know, on the swing, he smashes that TJ hooker. That was crazy. I wish I'd have left it on. It was kind of cool. Okay.
Nice fish. There we go. What a big fish. Man, these fish are so freaking feisty. Jeez. Nice rainbow. Already unhooked. Ooh. Oh man. Ooh. These red bands are nuts. It's another good fish. No, I fish here often. Oh, holy shit, this is a nice one. Oh, he's gone. Barbless, you know how that goes. He's a pretty one. A giant rock. Oh, that's a testament to 3X tippet. Wow. Oh, fish on. Wow. It's a nice fish. Look at this guy. Sweet.
So I kid you not. I was actually checking my gear to make sure things weren't tangled up. I had my rod dangling, rod length away from me. The nymphs are just kind of gliding in the water, and he came up and hammered it. That's why I wasn't filming. I mean, literally right here.